Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Sailfish 275 dual console. You'll notice at the stern, two 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engines, along with live well, rod holders, retractable tow post, and your boarding ladder. Plenty of seating here at the stern, big aft bench, along with an additional bench on the port side. As we make our way up, here on the starboard side, refrigerator, functional sink, cup holders, storage. You'll notice this chair, which is adjustable and can be put in any comfortable position you please. Here at the helm, you have your throttle, your screens, gauges, switches, and stereo speakers. As we make our way into the console, on the port side, you'll notice your head, plenty of room for storage, and a fully functional sink. As we check inside the console here on the port side, you'll see that there's plenty more room for storage, as well as a good spot to stash your bow table, which can be set up right here at the bow, in the middle of this wraparound seating in the deep Sailfish bow, where you'll find storage under both starboard and port side cushions. Here you'll find your anchor. And there she is, the Sailfish 275 dual console. For any additional information or any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 508-367-8248. Thank you.